Vanguard Wellington Admiral Fund Review. Is this retirement fund worth it? So, what it is about it has a fund type with the balanced mutual funds. It also offers Heritage, one of America's oldest and most trusted funds, and it has management. So, what's good about it is resilient and balanced approach. They also offer long-term track records. It is also cost efficient with the shares. It offers attractive risk profile and they have expert endorsements, which has many financial advisors highlighting a stable balanced fund. The only problem is it has lower returns than pure equity. They also have bond sensitivity. They also have limited international exposure, which is only mainly focused on the US area. And they have tax inefficiency in taxable accounts. So overall, is it worth it? So it depends on the legitimacy. But in summary, if you want a well-balanced, historically resilient fund that combines equity, upside with bond-driven stability, then particularly suited to retirement portfolios, then it is worth it in 2025. But if you don't want those features and stuff, then I don't recommend this.